What's up, guys, and thanks for tuning in to another segment of Topics with Tony. This week's segment is 10 stocks that you should be investing in right now. Let's go. So just in case you have not heard, because of what's going on in the world right now, stocks are at an all-time low. So basically what that means is stocks are on sale. Not only are they on sale for 5% off, 10% off, 20% off, 30% off, 40% off, 50% off, 60% off. You wouldn't believe 70% off, 80% off, 90% off. My apologies, I'm sorry about that. I get a little worked up when it comes to, making money. I get a little worked up when it comes to clearance, I just get worked up for doubling your money, tripling your money, quadrupling your money. It makes me excited. So I did a little digging and a little research. These are 10 stocks that you definitely do not want to miss. I just want to let you guys know, trust me, I'm not just telling you. All of these stocks that I'm going to name right now are in my portfolio. So I have money in them. I'm definitely optimistic about them coming back. I wouldn't try to tell you this if I didn't believe in it myself. Guys, I just want to inform you guys and let you know of what opportunities are out there, because there are so many stocks out there, so many. I'm sure there's many diamonds in the rough, and I think I have found a few diamonds for sure. In my opinion right now, to be honest with you, you really can't go wrong with the stock market right now. Everything is on sale, so it's like whatever you buy, it's gonna come back up. So before I give you guys the 10 stocks, I just wanna say I'm basing these stocks off of 2 rules. There has never been a time in American stock market history where the stock market has gone down and not returned back to what it was before. And not only at what it was before, but higher than what it was before. So that's rule number 1. There are some companies out there right now that might not make it through this pandemic. So therefore, they might go out of business. But for most of the stocks, that rule does still apply. Stocks that have gone down in a recession or at any time usually come back up for more than what they were before. Rule number 2, I'm basing on how well the stock has done in the last rolling 12 calendar months. So from May 5th, 2019 to May 5th, 2020. I'm looking at how much percentage the company is up or down. If the company is down, obviously, as I said in rule number 1, the company is supposed to return back to what it was, and if not what it was, higher than what it was. So therefore, if a company is 25% down, that means the company is basically 25% off. The stock is 25% off. Basically, each share is 25% off. If the stock is down 50%, that means the stock has a 50% discount. If the stock or the share is down 60%, 70%, that means it's 60 or 70% lower than what it was within these 12 months. So, I mean, you just can't pass a bargain like that. If you invest your money in these 10 stocks, in one of these 10 stocks or all of these 10 stocks, you're gonna get a 60, 70, or 80% return. So let's get started. So I'm gonna be talking to you guys about 3 categories of stock today. I'm invested in these 3 categories. They are oil, companies dealing with technology, and airlines. Okay, so we move to oil first. The first stock you have to get your hands on is Murphy Oil Company. They are down 57% for the 12 months. Right now, the stock price is $10.46. And if they go back up to a high of $27 like they did in January, that is going to be a $17 profit per share that you buy. So if you buy 10 shares, that's gonna be $170. 100 shares, $1,700. The second stock you have to get your hands on, Marathon Oil Corporation. They are down 62.5% for the rolling 12 months. Their stock is $5.53. If they go back up to a high of $15 like they did in May, that's $10 profit per share. So obviously, 10 shares of this, $100. 10 shares is gonna cost you $50. When it goes back up to $15, you're gonna be able to pull back $150. So $100 profit. Okay, the third and last and best for the oil category that I am invested in is Liberty Oilfield Services. They are down, drum roll please, 75%. Each share is $4.22. If it goes back up to $16.33 like it did in May, that's going to be a $12 profit per share. Think of it, if you bought an Apple or if you bought a t-shirt for $4.22, and a few months later you can sell it for $16. That's $12 profit per t-shirt. That's outrageous. That's really good. That's super good. You buy 10 shares of that, you spent $40 and you make $120 in profit. Okay, we have the next category, the technology companies. So these companies deal with like e-commerce, the IT solutions, marketing solutions, customer service solutions, business solutions, IT solutions, software technology companies. We have 5 companies in this category. The first one is Ebix, 60% down for the year, $19.52 per share right now. If it goes back up to $52 like it did in June, that's gonna be a $32 profit. Company number 5, Sabre Corp. They're down 66% for the rolling 12 months. Their share right now is $6.68. If the company returns to a high of $24.18 like it did in August, that is going to be an $18 profit per share. Company number 4. Company number 6, Alliance Data Services. And you guys can search all this up and verify it. I promise you it's there. They are down 69% for this year. Each share is $45. If they return to a high of $154 per share like they did in July, that's going to be a $109 profit per share that you buy. Per share that you buy. So if you spend about $450 on 10 shares of Alliance Data Services and it goes back up to $154 like it did in last July of 2019, you will have made a $1,090 profit. Spend $450 on 10 shares of stock to get $1,090 in profit. So altogether about $1,500. That ain't bad. Stock number 7, DXC Technology Corporations. They are down 72% for this rolling 12 months. 72%, that's 72%. That is 72% off. 72% off. That is 72% off. That is 72. Each stock is $16.53. If it returns to a high of $58 like it did in May of 2019, that's going to be a $42 profit per share. Fantastic. I'm sure you don't need me to do the math anymore. And the last company and stock that I'm going to mention, technology category, and that is stock number 8, Plantronics. And that company stock is down 74.49%. Wow. Each stock price is $13.08. If it goes back up to a high of $46 like it did in May, that's going to be $32 profit per share. Bam. Money, money, money. Last category, no-brainer, airlines. You know it's going to pick up. Once these bans are lifted, people are going to start buying. People got to fly. People want to go. They want to travel. So these stocks are definitely going to go up. Stock number 9, American Airlines. They are down 71% for the rolling 12 months. Each stock price right now, each share is $9.51. If they return to a high like they did in July of $33, for each share you buy, you will receive a $22 profit. Fantastic. Stock number 10, and the last one for airlines for me, is Spirit Airlines. They're down 74.98%, almost 75% for the rolling 12 months. Each share is $12.32. If they return to a high of $55.42 like they did in July, that will be a $42 profit per share. This stock is 75% off. That is clearance prices. Invest, buy. When these companies go back up, you are really gonna be shocked at how your money multiplies. Get it in there, for sure. I'm trying to see your money grow. These are the ones on clearance. These are the ones that are on sale. These are the ones that have the red tickets. So these are the ones that you're gonna get the most bang for your buck. So for example, if you buy a share of Amazon for $2,300 per share, which is what it is right now, if it goes up $100 in one day, that's great. But it's very unlikely that that stock is gonna double in a day or a week or even a month. I mean, it could definitely happen, but very unlikely versus these stocks that are down right now, airlines, oil, technology companies, you know, that are hurting because of the virus, because of the pandemic. These are the stocks that are going to bounce back when the economy starts going again. And Amazon and Tesla, they're going to do well as well. They're going to continue getting better, but are they going to double and triple and quadruple? I highly doubt that. So these are the ones you should definitely invest in. You invest in these 10 stocks, trust me, I'm right there with you, and we are going to cash out. Well, we're not gonna cash up, but we're gonna get our cash up. We're gonna get our cash up. Give it some time, give it a few months, and I promise you. Not really, I can't make no promises, but I'm hoping, and based on rule number 1 and rule number 2, our money is on the way. Just wait for it. Get investing now. Get it started. Let's go. Thank you guys so much for checking out my video this week. I really appreciate the views. Let me know, leave a comment below. Let me know what stocks are you invested in. Are there any stocks out there that are on clearance just as good as the ones that I named to you? Are there any ones out there that you heard that are gonna soar when the curfew is lifted? You know, if you have heard something, you have some ears on the street, let me know and leave a comment below. Be sure to like, be sure to subscribe, and make sure you hit that notification bell.